Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to color the clouds. Let's start. Directions: color the clouds. Purple, Purple, purple color. Let's color the cloud in purple color. Purple, purple color. Red, red, red color. Let's color the cloud in red color. Red, red color. Brown, Brown, brown color. Let's color the cloud in brown color. Brown color, Brown. Orange, orange color. Let's color the cloud in orange color. Orange, orange color. Blue color, blue, blue color. Let's color the cloud in blue color. Blue, blue color. Yellow, yellow color. Let's color the cloud in yellow color. Yellow color. Green, green, green color. Let's color the cloud in green color. Green, green color. White, white color. Let's color the cloud in white color. Pink, pink color. Let's color the cloud in pink color. Pink, pink color. Black, black color. Let's color the cloud in black color. Black, black color. Let's color the beautiful bird. Let's repeat again. Purple, P-U-R-P-L-E, purple color. Red, R-E-D, red, red color. Brown, B-R-O-W-N, brown color. Orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange color. Blue, B-L-U-E, blue, blue color. Yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow color. Green, G-R-E-E-N, green color. White, W-H-I-T-E, white. Pink, P-I-N-K, pink. Black, B-L-A-C-K, black color. Well done, kids. You are doing great. Good job. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.